Welcome everyone. Did you know that with just $500, some saving investors have catapulted their net worth to over $1 million through the stock market? Stay tuned to find out how they did it and how you might be able to do the same. Hello, I am Irene from Irene Consulting Firm, and today we are diving into how you can potentially turn $500 into $1 million through the smart investing. Whether you are a beginner or looking to brush up on your strategy, this video is meant for you. Investing in the stock market is not without its challenges, especially with a smaller starting amount. Risk from market fluctuation to choosing the right stock can all pose significant hurdle. Let us explore your options. From individual stock that offer direct exposure to specific company to ETF and mutual funds that allow you to invest in the broader market segment while reducing the risk. Meet Alex and Sam. Both turned their initial 500 investment into six-figure. They choose different paths, but both share a common strategy: patience and continual learning. To recap, understanding the market, researching through, and maintaining a long-term perspective are your key to potentially turn 500 into $1 million. Like what you learned today? Subscribe for more insightful tips, and don't forget to share your own investing experience in the comments below. Join me next time for more financial guidance. Please let us know if you need any of our services: bookkeeping, payroll, financial analysis, data visualization. And until for now, stay blessed. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.